We're going to do the low back raise in this segment on the hyperextension. So this apparatus is called a hyperextension. It's an beginner, intermediate one. There is another hyperextension where you're parallel to the floor. You can do this exercise on that one as well. We want to raise the seat so that hits us about hip level. The lower it is, the harder it is. The higher it is, the easier it is. So you want to start where it's most easy for you. Each apparatus works differently. On this one, I simply am going to pull up. So actually, I'm going to have mine on number 4 today. That way it hits me right at the hips. We're going to place our heels on the platform. So you can lift your toes up. You want your heels going on the platform at all times. That's going to help deepen the stretch and the contraction. Cross our hands across our chest. We're going to move forward from the hip joint, keeping the back flat. Chest is forward. We don't want to arch. Push your chest out, heels into the platform. Come up to neutral alignment. It's a very small movement. We're not swinging, we're controlling. You exhale when you lift the torso up, and we go down. Notice I'm not arching back when I come up. We want to protect our vertebrae, keeping the back flat, neutral alignment, parallel to the floor. This is one exercise that we don't push through the pain. You're going to go. Our goal is to get 4 sets of 25 without any burning sensation over time that we're going to build up to. But if you're doing this and you get to rep 15 and you got a severe achiness in your low back, that means you need to stop and rest. There we go. One more. And this exercise ends when our body's in neutral alignment. Hold the handles, stand up, and that's the low back raise.